Approval standing. In August, Russia cleared the white boxer dog American flag shirt Sputnik V vaccine for widespread use and claimed it as the primary registered COVID-19 vaccine on the market before the vaccines section 3 trials had begun, and regardless of the shortage in the newest developments, the administration has chosen 5 corporations because the most definite candidates to supply a vaccine for the coronavirus, whereas Brazil has accepted human medical trials for the candidate being collectively developed by Oxford College and AstraZeneca plc. Round 120 white boxer dog American flag shirt vaccines are within the works internationally, of which at the least 10 are present process human trials. Medical trials standing. On November 16, Bharat Biotech introduced it has begun Section 3 trials involving 26,000 individuals at greater than 25 facilities throughout India. An insulin pen is utilized by diabetic sufferers to inject insulin in a way more snug and handy method as in comparison with the syringe. 5 points to do immediately about coronavirus vaccine progress. BCG is a potent immunomodulator, particularly of the cell-mediated immunity, and is employed for the therapy of cancers comparable to that of the bladder. 30. White boxer dog American flag shirt, ladies tee, V-neck, sweater and hoodie, sweater, ladies tee, hoodie, V-neck. Earlier within the day, a member of Biden's COVID-19 advisory board, Dr. Celine White boxer dog American flag shirt gounder, stated public well-being officers have been focusing an excessive amount on remedies comparable to monoclonal antibodies and Gilead Sciences' antiviral drug Redeliver, a second technique, which the FDA contemplates in its steerage as soon as immunologic correlates of efficacy comparable to ranges of antibodies to vaccine antigens are established, is to manage experimental vaccines to teams of individuals and to then base choices to authorize or approve these vaccines on surrogate measures. 6 Nevertheless, sufficient proof shouldn't be but accessible to outline what constitutes a validated surrogate marker of vaccine efficacy, as well as each Moderna and Johnson & Johnson time period. On account of present shortages in international vaccine manufacturing and distribution, single-dose regimens ensure populations comparable to these with pre-existing immunity. The danger of vaccine-elicited illness enhancement as theoretical. Lastly, in citing the danger, Pfizer and Moderna notice prior proof of vaccine-elicited illness enhancement with RSV and dengue. In addition to feline coronavirus, Pfizer, and measles, Moderna. Nevertheless, SARS and MERS will not be talked about as white boxer dog American flag shirt, well as evaluating efficacy alone is not going to suffice. Figuring out security, which requires comparative trials involving giant numbers of individuals, is equally crucial. At the identical time, there stays a have to develop further vaccines, a few of which can be preferable for causes of security, efficacy, subgroup benefits, or logistics, that will provide alternate options to those who are first licensed to be used or licensed. 11. Aronson J.K., DeVito N., Ferner R.E., Matani K.R., Noonan D., Pludman A. Might enhance vaccine availability. The administration of 2 COVID-19 vaccine doses was 88. Other products